Hey, everyone, welcome back to the Hot Skinny Recipe, where today, we're diving into one of the biggest trends on the internet right now, mukbang. It's all about enjoying incredible food, sharing the experience, and connecting with people around the world. So, grab your favorite snack, and let's dig in. Mukbang, which started in South Korea, is a mix of eating and broadcasting. From giant feasts to themed meals, this trend has captured millions of hearts and appetites. Look at this, who's ready for some cheesy goodness? Today, we're taking on this massive mukbang spread. Here's what's on the menu today: crispy fried chicken, spicy noodles, a giant burger, cheesy pizza, fresh sushi, and for dessert, decadent chocolate cake and macarons. The crunch, the flavors, it's absolutely amazing. Mukbang isn't just about the food, it's about the connection. Viewers love the ASMR sounds, the fun conversations, and the feeling of sharing a meal with someone. Let's check out what you all have to say. Here's a comment from username, "Your mukbangs always make my day. Thanks for sharing your joy with us." Thank you so much, you guys are the best. And that's it for today's mukbang madness. Which dish looks the most tempting to you? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more food adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.